Friend, welcome to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I have come up with another cool project that is called as a Google Keep clone. So first we will see our agenda. So our agenda will be like I will tell about the Google Keep, and I will show you also how Google Keeps look. Maybe some person know about the Google Keep, and some may know don't know about the Google Keep. So I will tell about the Google Keep, and I will tell about the what you will learn from the this project also. And I will at last I will show you the our project, and I will give you the source code also. And if you interested in video how to make this project step by step, then our target is like 100 likes. If I get 100 likes on these videos, then mm, upcoming next week I will upload all the videos how to make this project. So my target is like 100 like only. So introduction, like Google Keep. I think you may know about the Google Keep, or some person may don't know about the Google Keep. So I will show you. So if you open your Chrome browser, and if you click on that this button, and here you will get the Google Keep. So this is the what Google Keep, and we will try to make it clone. So here you can click. This is the searching. If you try to search anything, then you will get the result. Or after introduction, I will tell you what you will learn from our mini project. So yeah, next is their demo. Yeah, so now we are going to see the clone project. So yeah, so this is the project I have already run. So it's running on localhost 4200. So I will open in Chrome. So if we hit, so you can see that before we have given 4200, then it automatically redirect to login. So here you will get to know what we are trying to make. Before that we have to make an account. So we will click here. So here also you can see we have given each and every validation. So you can see that if we not enter, then the border will be like a red, and button will be also disabled. So if we try to may give like our name and email. Suppose if I give email in correct way, then it will also not take accept. So we have to give the email in a proper format. So I will give like this way. Yeah, so and we will give the number 10 digit, or else it will throw an error for us. So if 1 2 3 4 6, I have given the password, and suppose if I give the incorrect password, then also it will not accept. We can't create an account because this button is already disabled. If each and every field is correct, then only we can create a account. So here we need to give the correct password. So yeah, this matching. So now we are good to create our account in a Google Keep. So yeah, this is the, so it's telling like see, the email address is already taken by another account, means I have already created by this name. So it's not taking. So you can also see this is the error we are representing. So we will try to uh, modify the email. So I have given Vicky uh, Kumar as like we will give, and we will try to create. Yeah, so here you can see the registration, successful registration done. So now we are trying to uh, log in. So if we give incorrect password, then we can see the password is invalid. So here also we have given uh, now if we suppose if we want to see the password also, here by clicking on this I button we can see the password. So now we have given the password like 123456. So after giving this password and click on the login, then yeah, so this is our project what we have the dashboard. So here I think we have seen Google Keep also same as like not exactly, but I have tried to make in that way like it's look like the same only. So functionality will be same each and everything. So you can see that this one is there same like in Google Keep also. So if we click here, then same as like there also we one pop-up will come, and if we close then it will close as like only. So I will show you each and every functionality. So first this one, if we click on this menu will come, and if we click again, then menu will go out. So here also, and this is the search area, so from where you can search. This is also working. So I will show this feature after creating notes, few notes, then only we will get to know now. Yeah, this is working fine or not, or else next this is the refresh button. So if we click on this, then it page will be refresh, like it will reload. And this is like a grid view. This feature is also I will show you after creating multiple nodes. So because this is like something like a grid or list view. So if we click on the list, it will convert into the uh, here there is no node, so we can't able to see, right? So we need to create and this is like our icon, default icon will be as like. So if we click on this icon, camera is there, right? So if we click on this icon, so we can upload our profile picture. Like we see default picture is just like, and if we want to upload picture, different picture, then we can upload. So yeah, okay, I will try to upload this picture. So let's see. So yeah, we can see that this is the progress bar. So live we can see that yeah, this is like uploading this much percentage. So this progress bar will come till the last. uh, so mm, yeah, it's take time because that image has high quality, means I think 10 to 12 MB is there. That's why it take some time. So we can see the preview of our image. So if we click on the update profile, then only it will uh, update here, or else if we cancel it, it will not update. So we are good to update. So I will click on the update profile. So yeah, we can see that the profile is updated, and here also you can see that our profile pic is updated. Here you can see our name, email, uh, and if we hit on the logout button, then it will get logout. So now we need to again login. So I will try to login. I forget, here is also forget password is also there. If you forget the password, then you can enter the email, and that email will go to your Gmail ID. As of now I have not given valid email, so it will not what we call this, we can't able to reset password because I haven't given the valid email password. So as of now I will skip that part. You can try that one if you get the source code. So I will try to again log in it. Yeah, so it's logged in. Mm, now I will try to create few notes. So here you need to give the title, what will be the title of your notes. So Vikas Kumar. So Vikas, Kumar. I will type something like random words, and here you can you can see that while hovering that this color box came. So if we click, then whole box color will change. So yeah, and here you can observe undo and redo. Means if we click on the undo button, then that undo will work. Means it will erase one or two button and redo. This button is also working. I and like if you want, if you want to upload one image, you can also upload the image. So here this is the, so I have used different bar. So yeah, this is the image. So if we close it, then notes will created. Yeah, you can see that this is the view. So I will try to make in different format. Yeah, so this is the list view. Yeah, so now I will try to create multiple nodes. So I will show you some more functionality also. So let's get start. I will give some random color also, and yeah, so this is the others. I will create some random nodes, multiple nodes. So yeah, so as of now it's fine. Okay, so one thing you can observe that while hovering only, these icons are appearing. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, so this is also one functionality is there. And if we pin, then pin notes will come in different place. See, you can see pin notes is there above, and you can switch like this way also. See, this way also you can switch the notes like, yeah, so it's working fine. Mm, yeah, so I will come up with the remainder. So here you can see the remainder is there. There is no any remainder nodes. So up to now we haven't saved any, means we haven't created any nodes that have some reminders. So it's not displaying here. So we can see in archive mode also there is no nodes. So as like in trash also we are not deleting anything. So if once we delete any nodes, then all the nodes will come here. From here we can delete permanent. So this is also one functionality. So I will show you once. Suppose I want to delete this node. So here, yeah, this node. So you can see that this node is here, and from here if you want to delete forever, then it will delete forever, it will not come again. And if you want to restore, then it will restore not. So I will delete it forever. So yeah, this is deleted. So this was not there. Here this is the list view. You can, so once again I will create one nodes which having the remainder. So suppose I will give the remainder name, and this way we have many options. Like if we want direct like set today or tomorrow, then we can set like this way, or else we can get update from the calendar also. So here you can see the time. So this is the node, and if I once I clicked, then we can say there is a reminder nodes all created. So if we go in reminder them tab, then here also we can see that nodes all is presented. And if we want to remove, then we can also remove the reminder, and from there also it will get removed. And there is a edit label. So if you want to create one label, like suppose I want to create a label with office. So this is a label. Okay, so sorry, I did a mistake. So if I want to create a label, then we can create. So we can see our label is created by the name of office. If you want to create some other name, then we can also create multiple labels. And if you want to create this, if you want to delete this label, then we can delete also label. So I want to create some like multiple labels. So see, there is, we can create it. So yeah, we can see this, it's level getting created. Okay, and if we assign a level to a particular nodes, then we can also, suppose this node is there and I want to assign with the level office. Okay, then we can assign, see here levels come with the office. So if we go in the office tab, then we can also see that level. So we can also here see, I want to see if we want to remove this level, then we can also remove this level. I think I had missed this one, but we can remove. I will add this functionality. Another thing what I want to show you, like yeah, search functionality. I want to show. So suppose if you want to search with Vikas, then all the data will come with the name of with the title of Vikas. Okay, and if we I will show you one thing, like see, suppose uh, like Vikas is already heated with the name of Vikas, already heated. Once again, if you try to hit with the name of Vikas, it will not go again. So this is using by RxJX. So if we remove, then only it will hit the hit to the Firebase, then or else it will not hit. So this functionality is added. If we click on here, then normal we can come back. Yeah, so this is all about the Google Keep clone. I want to show one more feature is there, right? If we click on the logout and without login, if I try to redirect our nodes, then we want, means we can't able to go that dashboard. There is a guard, uh, by that it's stopping to let them go in dashboard node. So without the authentication we can't go in dashboard. So yeah, this is our final Google Keep. Thanks for watching. Mm. So what next? Next is there, I want 100 likes. If I get 100 likes, then only I can upload all the videos step by step, how you can log in or register, or you can talk with the Firebase, etc. So thank you so much for watching my videos.